Condition icons in Google Sheet. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser on your computer and go to Google Sheets. Once the page loads, open a new spreadsheet or an existing file that contains your data. Wait until the spreadsheet loads completely before continuing. After that, observe the data displayed in the worksheet so you can understand which values you want to format. Next, select the cells that contain the values you want to apply conditions to. Click and drag your cursor to highlight the data range. Make sure the correct cells are selected, as this will determine where the formatting will be applied. Once the selection is confirmed, move your cursor to the top menu bar. Click the Format menu to open the available options. From the drop-down list, look for the Conditional Formatting option and click it. After that, wait until the side panel appears on the right side of the screen. This panel contains the conditional format rules that you will use. Observe the panel carefully to understand the available settings. Under the section labeled Format Cells If, choose a condition that matches your needs. You can select options such as greater than, less than, or equal to. After choosing the condition, enter the value that will trigger the formatting. As you do this, observe the preview of the formatting that appears in the panel. Now, move to the Formatting Style section. Here, you may notice that Google Sheets does not provide a direct option for adding icons like in some other spreadsheet tools. Instead, you can use color formatting as an alternative way to represent conditions visually. Choose a background color that will represent the condition and select a text color if needed. After setting the formatting style, click the Done button to apply the rule. You will immediately observe the cells changing based on the condition you created. Take a moment to make sure the conditions are applied correctly and that the formatting matches your expectations. If adjustments are needed, you can edit the rule again. Finally, review your worksheet to ensure everything looks clear and organized. And done, your conditional formatting is successfully applied in Google Sheets.